Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, the Sandbox, with a market cap of just over $1 billion. Is the Sandbox going for that one final dump to Goblin Town? Because guys, in the last 1 week, we've seen the Sandbox lose 6% of its value, even though it's still up 2.9% in the last 1 month. If we go on a yearly time frame, the Sandbox is still down 81.6%. We're going to be taking a look at the Sandbox US dollar price chart, and we've seen the Sandbox get rejected at that $0.8 region. Are we heading back to the $0.37 region? Or are we just having a pullback that will see us go and pump above $1? We'll also be looking at Fed.ai performance against Bitcoin, Fed.ai performance against Ethereum, and we'll also take a look at Fed.ai's market cap, which is currently resting at the $1 billion level. If we lose this level, we might see Fed.ai going to that $500 million region. Are we going to gather ourselves and continue pumping towards the $2 billion region, or are we going down to Goblin Town, maybe setting new all-time lows in this bear market? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first guys, to all my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching all my videos. I appreciate you guys. And if you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We saw all coins pumping to higher prices in January and February of 2023. That was good to see because we saw them dumping to Goblin Town in 2022. But right now, it looks as if the relief rally is over, or at least we're having a pullback. We saw the Sandbox go from as low as the $0.37 level, rallying up to as high as $0.91. But we've gotten rejected at that level. Not the first time happening for the Sandbox. We've seen the Sandbox gotten rejected at that level. This is not the first time it's happened to Sandbox. We got rejected at that level in November of 2022 after FTX collapsed. And after we got rejected there, we headed back to the $0.37 region. Is that exactly what's happening right now to the Sandbox? Are we even going to break to new all-time lows in this bear market? Maybe dumping to the $0.17 region? Because guys, the Sandbox is currently in its first crypto bear market. The Sandbox was one of those altcoins that was pumping when the metaverse craze was happening in Twitter. We saw everything pumping to the moon that had Meta on its name. Facebook was pumping, they changed their name to Meta. We saw the Sandbox pumping, we saw Decentraland pumping, and guys, now we're in the bear market, we're seeing all those altcoins dump to Goblin Town. But in the bull market, the Sandbox returned more than a 25,000% increase in just a 387-day period. If you had invested $1,000 in the Sandbox in November of 2020, guys, it would have returned more than $256,000 by November of 2021. That's how profitable altcoins can be in the bull market. One altcoin can change your life. One altcoin can make you rich forever. In the case of the Sandbox, $1,000 would have given you $250,000. But altcoins are very, very volatile. Yes, we love them because they can pump well in the bull market. But when we get to a bear market, we see them dumping to Goblin Town. The Sandbox in this bear market has dropped to as low as that $0.38 region. We've seen it lose 95% of its value. But guys, I also believe that the bottom might not be in for this altcoin. We might still see the Sandbox get to as low as the $0.17 region. That will still mean the Sandbox is still down 98% from its all-time high, and that's somehow still normal for altcoins. We've seen a lot of altcoins dump to Goblin Town and recover all those losses when the bull market comes around. We've seen the Sandbox right now facing rejection at that $0.9 level. The bear market rally might not be over. We might just be having a temporary pullback that might see us rally above $1. But guys, if the Sandbox is not pumping above the $0.9 level, I think we might see it dumping back to Goblin Town. We've just gotten rejected at that level, so maybe the third time will be the charm. Maybe, just maybe, if we try the third time, we're going to pump above it. But right now, all indications are pointing to the Sandbox maybe finding support at that $0.57 region. If we find support there, everything still looks good, everything still looks dandy. But you don't want to pay. If you find support there, everything still looks good, everything still looks dandy. But guys, always remember, in the bear market, things tend to fall down in a straight line. And when they do, they can do that very, very quickly. Don't forget guys, if you're investing for the long haul deep in the crypto bear market, you don't want to get carried away by any pumps we are seeing on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, or on a monthly time frame. Investing should be for the long haul. Investing should be buying when the market is down, buying value and selling it when you feel it's overvalued or when the market is in extreme greed. That's what smart investors do, and that's what people that got that 200x return in the Sandbox were doing. We were deep in the bear market. A lot of people didn't believe we would pump to higher prices. Smart investors were accumulating the Sandbox right here, and when those higher prices came, what happened? We saw it pumping to higher prices and giving us more than 200% return on investment. So if you're looking for your first 10x, 20x, or 200x pump in crypto, remember that will come if you buy low and hold till the end of the next bull run. If you take a look at some details about the Sandbox, guys, the Sandbox in the last 1 month has gone from as low as $0.62 to as high as $0.93. If you're buying the Sandbox, remember to dollar cost average through the process. Guys, if you're buying all coins that you're going all in and they continue dumping to Goblin Town, you won't have any capital to get some when we go to Goblin Town. And remember, they can always continue dumping to Goblin Town. Right now, the Sandbox market cap is at a crucial point at the $1 billion level. It still has a fully diluted market cap of $2 billion because we only have 50% of the maximum supply in circulation, and the Sandbox is ranked 49 on CoinMarketCap with over 2.2 million people having the Sandbox on their watch list. The symbol for the Sandbox is sand. If you're looking to buy or sell the Sandbox right now in the bear market, you can get some on Binance, on BitTop, on Coinbase Exchange, on KuCoin, on Kraken, on Bitstamp, on Bitfinex, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Now, if you take a look at the Sandbox performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, we're still dumping to Goblin Town. We're still continuing our journey towards Goblin Town. We have seen the Sandbox pump really well in the bull market, but right now, as we're dumping in the bear market, the Sandbox has lost more than 84% of its value against Bitcoin, and it can always get worse because after this rally, which looks as if it has come to an end for the Sandbox, we might continue dumping to new lows as the Sandbox is dumping to Goblin Town. Yes, we have been having some rallies along the way. We had a rally right here in December of 2021. It went up 43% against Bitcoin, but after that, we continued dumping to Goblin Town. We also had another rally that went up 44%. After that, we also continue dumping to Goblin Town. The rally we saw, which got a lot of people bullish thinking will pump to higher prices, was in June 2022, where the Sandbox outperformed Bitcoin by more than 93%. But even after that, because we're still deep in the crypto bear market, we saw the Sandbox continue dumping to Goblin Town. And I'll not be shocked to see the Sandbox get to new lows in this bear market. If you take a look at the Sandbox performance against Ethereum, we're seeing the same similar story. We're seeing the Sandbox pump to higher prices, getting to new all-time highs in the bull market. But right now in the bear market, we are seeing it dump to Goblin Town. We have also seen it lose more than 82% of its value. We might still continue seeing it drop to new lows, so be careful out there, guys. This will be a good time to take some profits off the table. We're in the bear market, except you want to give your profits back to the market from the bottom where the Sandbox got to on the 1st of January 2023 in this bear market. The Sandbox is still up 84%. So will you be taking some profits off the table, or will you wait for us to get that one final pump to the upside? Remember, nothing is promised, nothing is guaranteed with all coins. The only sure thing we know is that because we have pumped to the moon, we are going to continue dumping to Goblin Town. If you take a look at the Sandbox market cap, currently finding support at the $1 billion level. Hopefully, we'll find support here and continue rallying our way towards $2 billion. But in this relief rally, we saw the Sandbox market cap even get to as high as $1.4 billion. The last time we got that high was before FTX collapsed. We saw the Sandbox rally to that level and got rejected. Right now, we have also gotten rejected at that level. So if we can survive this $1 billion level and turn it to support instead of resistance, we might see us continue pumping to higher prices. But right now, it looks as if the Sandbox is breaking below $1 billion. And guys, if we lose this $1 billion level, we might just see the Sandbox heading back to the $500 million region. We're deep in the bear market. In the bear market, you expect all coins to continue dumping to Goblin Town. But that $500 million region looks as if the Sandbox has strong support at that level. Because if we lose that level, it might just be deep down to Goblin Town. We might even see the Sandbox market cap drop to as low as $250 million. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think this is the end of the relief rally for all coins in the market? Are you still accumulating some Sandbox deep in the bear market? And how high do you see the Sandbox going? And how high do you see the Sandbox getting to by the end of the next bull run? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too greedy. Don't get too scared. See you guys in my next video.
7, 1.